Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is 1.5 volt AA rechargeable battery. I'm purchasing this product from the Temu website, and this product price is a 50 Danish krona. You can charge once and use, especially for the baby games and different toys and even the watch as well. So we will do unboxing which types of product and how you charge, and afterwards you can use very easily. Let's check it out. So this is our battery. My son is broken this box. Inside the box we receive the 4 types AA batteries and one the USB and 2 C types of ports. You can charge once at a time. Look at this here. It's very easy, and the battery is look like our battery, but this is the rechargeable battery, and you can use this one. As my personal recommendation, I personally use last 6 months the same of product. I continuously use in toys and watches as well. That one is more affordable and you can charge multiple times if you purchase this product. Product link is available on video description. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.